What's up? I'm back. This would just be a quick video on how to get mods for Blade and Sorcery on the Oculus Quest. So you want to type up Nexus Mods, Blade and Sorcery Nomad. So you just want to press the first link there. And just wait for it to load. And then there's a bunch of these mods here. So you just find one that you want, like this one, frying pan, just a simple little mod. And then you click on it, and then you press download manual. And then it will, you don't really need to worry about that, you just press a little X up there. And then you scroll down to, I'm just going to do slow download, but you can do fast download, but that costs like money. So yeah. And then when that's done, if you're using Google Chrome, it will come up down in the corner here. So when that's done, you open up your files, downloads, then you extract it with their WinRAR or WinZip, but I like WinRAR because, you know, it's easy, and I'll put a video on how to install that in the description as well. And then just put that over there. You want to load up your Oculus Quest 2 because that's the one that actually supports Blade and Sorcery. So you want to plug it into your laptop or your computer, and then turn it on, and then you press allow. It will say allow access to data. The connected device will be able to access files on this headset. So you just want to press allow, and then if you want you can turn it off. Now you go to File Explorer again, you open up a new one. Yep. And then you go down to Quest 2, internal shared storage, and then you press Android, and then data, and you scroll down until you find Warp Frog Blade and Sorcery. There it is. Press files, mods, and then as you can see, I've got a bunch of mods here. And then once you extracted that, you just drag that into there, and then I'd like just pressing your refresh button, and then that's it. Easy as that. And then if you want, you can just delete this, and then just get out of that and do that if you want. But yeah, it is that easy. So give it a thumbs up if it's helpful. If it didn't work, say if it came up with an error, you either got to uninstall the game and then reinstall it, or you just uninstall the mod. Meaning just go into the files, then delete it from your computer, and then you reload it back up, and then it should work. If it doesn't, then I'm sorry, I don't really know how to fix that. But yeah, right, see ya.